in the benchmark highland of intelligent manufacturing in Northeast Asia. FAW-Volkswagen Dalian engine plant, with its leading processes and rigorous standards, drives the birth of every high-efficiency engine, scripting a new chapter of intelligent manufacturing with every passing minute, as flexibility and high precision become the core demands of modern powertrain production. DUCO Robots are deeply integrated into this lighthouse factory, serving as an indispensable new intelligent driving force on the production line.
And we choose here soon because we wanted to have a high-quality Chinese supplier on the cobots. And now we are in a situation that we are on a productivity side, one of the most productive plants of Volkswagen Group worldwide. And it's a topic due to the cooperation we had with Soon to introduce more and more cobots into our plants.
To date, FAW-Volkswagen has deployed over 50 DUCO collaborative robots, fully covering key engine assembly processes including tightening, loading and unloading, visual inspection, and oil filling, achieving a leapfrog breakthrough in the automation rate of the production line. Each DUCO intelligent robot can efficiently handle the routine workload of 3 workers, from individual stations to connected lines, from manpower reduction to efficiency gains. The overall economic performance of the production line keeps improving year after year, from the precise closed-loop control of tightening torque to zero-error judgment in visual inspection, from fast and smooth workpiece transfer to clean and strictly sealed oil filling. DUCO robots, over long-term continuous operation, have consistently ensured the quality takt of engine assembly with extremely stable performance.
And for the future, quite sure we are thinking about new applications, and we have already some pretty good ideas to improve our process and even to improve our cooperation with Soon.
More than 50 DUCO robots are not just an impressive set of numbers. They are a vivid testament to intelligent manufacturing at FAW-Volkswagen's engine plant. They temper quality through reliability, unleash the future through flexibility and economic efficiency, and enable Chinese intelligent manufacturing to advance steadily and reach far on the global stage.